Hello, my name is Amber from Nacelle English School London, and today we have another live English class for you. So like all of the classes, if you have any questions or any comments that you would like to make, send them to me now and I will have a look at them throughout the class and do my best to answer them. So today's class is on a grammar point in English. This is usually an intermediate grammar point or elementary grammar point, but it's so important that you use this correctly. You will use this every day when you are using English. So it's perfect to improve on today and to make sure you are using it correctly. Okay, so I'll let a few more people join. It's lovely to see everyone. Hello, I hope you're ready to learn and let's begin. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to share my screen with you so you can see all of my study notes. So today we're going to look at the present continuous tense. As I said, this is usually an elementary or an intermediate grammar point, but you will use it every day. So even if you are an advanced or proficient speaker in English, you will use this all the time. So it's very important you know how to use it correctly. So why do we use the present continuous? We use this to talk about actions that are happening now. Okay, so it's something that is happening now, and most importantly, the action is not finished. Okay, so the action has not finished, but it's happening now. So let's have a look at how we use this. How do we write this? So you need your subject plus the verb to be plus a verb ending in ing. Subject plus verb to be plus verb with ing. We're going to have a look at some examples of these. So for example, you have I am driving. I am driving. Okay, subject, verb to be, verb with ing. I am driving. Okay, when we are talking about I, we are talking about ourselves. The second example we have is he, she, it is working. He, she, it is working. Okay, he, she, or it. So when we're talking about a singular person, one person, and we're talking about somebody else. So we can point at them. He, she, or it is working. Okay. We also can say we are sleeping. We are sleeping. This is with two people or more. So it's plural, you and other people. Okay, we are sleeping. And then you have you, they are eating. Again, this is plural, but it's not with you, so you can point at them. You are eating, they are eating. Okay. Okay, we have some more examples. So we have I am eating, she is running, and he is playing football. I'm eating, she is running, he is playing football. Two more examples. We are singing, they are sleeping. Okay, notice the final verb with ing. We have singing, sleeping. On the previous slide, we had eating, running, playing. Okay, it's important that you have this ing and that you pronounce it. Eating, running, playing, singing, sleeping. Okay, so it's also important here to remember your contractions when it comes to the verb to be. So you have I am becomes I'm, I am, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, you are becomes your, and they are becomes their. Okay, learn these and use them. As a native speaker, I naturally will say I'm or he's rather than I am or he is. Okay, so if you do the same, you're going to sound more native. So let's look at another reason of why we use the present continuous. Okay, so we sometimes use the present continuous when the action is not happening right now, but so at the time of speaking, but the action hasn't finished. Okay, so we use it even if the action is not happening right now, right this second, but if the action hasn't finished. Let me give you some examples so you understand. So I have 2 examples here. I'm reading a really good book at the moment. I'm reading a really good book at the moment. So this means the action hasn't finished, so it's continuous. But maybe I'm not right now, not this second reading, but in the moment I've started and I haven't finished the book. Obviously, it takes a long time to read a book, maybe 4 days, 5 days. You cannot do it all in one action. And the same with the second example, I'm learning Italian. I'm learning Italian. This is a continuous action. You have started it, but you have not finished it. It takes a long time to learn a language. The same you can say, I'm learning English. Maybe you will study English for many years, okay? But you can use the present continuous to say this. Another reason why we use the present continuous, or how we use the present continuous, is with words around now, so time words. So for example, today, this week, and this year. Okay, some examples of this I have are, you're working hard today. You're working hard today. Okay, so you've started working hard and the action hasn't finished. For the whole day, you are working hard. We can use present continuous. And the same, the company isn't doing well this year. The company isn't doing well this year. Okay, so we're talking about the whole year, but it started and it hasn't finished. Okay, we are in June, the year hasn't finished. Okay, and finally, so they are all of the reasons that we are going to look at today. Okay, so now I have a quiz for you. The quiz is very, very simple. You have a sentence and there is some missing information. You need to tell me if the correct answer is A, B, or C. A, B, or C. And then we'll have a look at the answers together. So the question is, we can't go for a picnic today because blank. We can't go for a picnic today because blank. The options are A, I'm raining, B, he's rainy, or C, it's raining. Okay, these are your options. I'm raining, he's rainy, or C, it's raining. Is it A, B, or C? Why can't you go for a picnic? Okay, this is number 1. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay. Sophie and Tom blank their own house. Sophie and Tom blank their own house. You have 3 options. A, is building, B, are build, or C, are building. Okay, the options again are A, is building, B, are build, or C, are building. Okay, what's the correct answer? Sophie and Tom blank their own house. Okay, Sophie and Tom blank their own house. We'll go on to the next one. Okay, I'm on a diet, so this week blank chocolate. I'm on a diet, so this week blank chocolate. Your options are I am eat, I'm not eating, or she isn't eating. Okay, options are I am eat, I'm not eating, she isn't eating. Is it A, B, or C? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is, the question is, Jade is on holiday in Spain. Blank, a great time. Jade is on holiday in Spain. Blank, a great time. What's the missing information? A, she had. B, is having. Or C, she is having. Okay, Jade is on holiday in Spain. Is she A, she had, B, is having, or C, she is having a great time? Okay, what is the correct answer? A, B, or C? I'm going to give you a few seconds to finish answering this, and then we will have a look at the answers, I think. Yeah. Oh. Okay, a few seconds, and then we'll have a look at the answers together and see if you are correct. Okay, let's have a look. So this was number 1. We can't go for a picnic today because C, it's raining. Okay, C, it's raining. Okay, the weather is, we would use it. It's raining. Okay, well done if you got C correct. Let's have a look at the next one. Sophie and Tom blank their own home. The correct answer was are building. They are building their own home. Sophie and Tom are building their own home. Okay, well done if you got that correct. Next one. The answer was I'm not eating. Okay, we have to continue with the same subject. I'm on a diet. I'm not eating. Okay, that's why C is incorrect, is wrong. So the answer is I'm not eating. The sentence, I'm on a diet, so this week I'm not eating chocolate. Okay, and the final one then was Jade is on holiday in Spain. She is having a great time. She is having a great time. Okay, and that is all of the answers and questions for today. Well done guys if you got that correct. I could see those of you who were playing along at home and getting the correct answers, so well done. That is the end of today's class, so I hope now that you can use the present continuous tense correctly and that you feel more confident using it. If you have any questions, please send them to me, or if you have a request for next week's lesson, let me know and I will do my best to prepare for that. Thank you very much guys for attending today's class. Keep practicing English at home and I will see you next week. Bye!